This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Nguyen. Spacious and beautiful condo features kitchen with brand new stainless steel refrigerator, built-in microwave, breakfast bar with separate dining area. Living room with office area, a fireplace, huge sliding door, walk out to the covered patio which surrounds by beautiful landscape and park. Huge laundry room with washer and dryer in unit. Spacious bedroom and good size closet. Freshly paint entire house. Brand new carpet and new vanity countertop. Minutes to bus stop, Vienna Metro and shopping centers. Must see. For more information, review the details below.